In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for construction management. First, open your browser, head to ClickUp, and sign in if you're not already. We're going to set up a ready-to-use workspace so you can oversee schedules, materials, subcontractors, and site updates in one place without starting from scratch. Once you're inside ClickUp, navigate to the space where you want this project to live. A space is your high-level container. Think of it like the home for a department, client portfolio, or region. Choose the space that best fits how your company organizes work, so your teams can find everything quickly. Inside that space, look for the plus icon to add something new. This is your shortcut to building out folders and lists without manual setup. Instead of creating everything piece by piece, we'll let ClickUp do the heavy lifting with a template. Open the Templates option. This brings up ClickUp's template library, which is great for standardized setups. Using a template ensures consistency across projects and saves a ton of time compared to building custom lists, fields, and views for every new job. In the search bar, type Construction Management. You'll see a set of results tailored for project delivery. The one we're using is designed to support timelines, tasks, and documentation specific to construction. Select the Construction Management Plan. Take a moment to preview it. You'll typically see pre-built task groups, statuses, and views like Gantt or Board, all mapped to a construction workflow. This is helpful for ensuring your pipeline from pre-construction to closeout has a clear path. Choose Use Template. This applies the structure directly into your selected space. Templates are flexible, so even though you're importing a predefined layout, you'll still be able to adjust fields, statuses, and views afterward to match your company's standards. When prompted, enter a name. Pick something clear and consistent, like the project code plus a short site name. Good naming helps with reporting and keeps your portfolio organized across multiple jobs. Finally, click Use Template again and give it a moment to load. Larger templates can take a little time, especially if they include sample tasks and multiple views. Keep the page open while it imports. Once it's done, you'll see your new structure ready to go. Lists, statuses, and views aligned for construction work. From here, you can tailor details like assignees, dates, and budgets to your specific project without changing the overall framework. That's it. You've set up a construction management system in ClickUp using a proven template so you can move straight into execution with clarity and confidence.